Hey guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and in this video you're going to want to pay attention because I'm going to be showing you how you can actually go from broke to making $100 per day. That's right guys, I'm going to be showing you 3 different methods in which you can actually start today generating income. So you will have to put in some elbow grease. These methods do take some time, but if you are diligent and you're consistent, you can absolutely do it. So let's go ahead and get started right away. From going broke to $100 a day. We're starting right now. All right, guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here. So we're gonna jump right into this video. So today I'm gonna be showing you 3 different ways you can actually go from broke to making $100 a day. So the first website I'm on here is a classified ad website. And just so you guys know, there are literally hundreds, if not thousands, of these online free classified ad sites, and they're all pretty much set up the same way. They have multiple categories, and then they have multiple like sub niches within the different categories. So for instance, if I'm in the make money online niche or internet marketing niche, they have a category called jobs, and then they have a sub niche called business opportunities. So if I wanted to promote, say, a business opportunity or a multi-level marketing company, or maybe it's a affiliate product, maybe it's a webinar that you're trying to give away for free information to lead them to like a high ticket, product, or you even promote like a low ticket product that has multiple upsells to kind of take them up the value chain. Well, you can create a nice crafty, ad in here and, start getting traffic to your website. Now, you wouldn't want to just post in one of these classified ad sites. You want to post in multiple classified ad sites. So what you would basically do is you would just go to Google and then search, free classified ad sites. You will find a ton that come up. Maybe you start with like 10 of those ad sites, and then every day you go in and you start posting ads in as multiple in as many categories as you possibly can, depending on what products you're going to try to sell. And you don't have to like just stick to business opportunity. Like I said, there's multiple categories in here. I mean, they have real estate, so maybe you find a product that gives out some free information about how to, get free leads for realtors. So you could go in here and find a category in which you can kind of post information to realtors saying, this is how you can make more sales. This is how you get more leads. Here's some free information. And maybe that free information leads them to a product or leads them to a service in which they purchase it, and then you make a commission from it. I mean, they have beauty here. I mean, there's tons of beauty products. They have personal section here. There's a ton of relationship products that are out there. You can even be an affiliate for some of the main, dating websites out there. And maybe you do some posting in here and get some people to join some of these dating websites in which you can get an affiliate commission for. So again, these are online classified ad sites. You have to be consistent. You have to be diligent, and you have to post in multiple ad sites. And it does take time, and it does take some elbow grease, but you can get some traffic to your websites. And you can even lead people to squeeze pages too and start, actually building your list from this method as well. So the second method we're going to be looking at is passing out business cards. So people forget about the old tactics of guerrilla marketing, of just like passing out business cards and postcards and flyers, but this stuff still actually does work. And what you can do is you can go to sites like hotcards.com and you can get free business cards, right? So you can actually see here, you can get 100 business cards that you can actually order for absolutely free. You can actually upload your own design, or you can actually pick one of their free templates. You can just click right up here where it says free business cards, browse designs. And all you would need to do at this point is you would have a multiple number of designs that you can choose from, and then you can just go ahead and select what design you want, and then you can go ahead and alter it however you need to alter it. So you can put in like a graphic, put in the name, your name, you can put a phone number, an email address. Obviously you want to send them to a website. You definitely want to put maybe something kind of catchy in there depending on, you know, what your opportunity is or what product that you're trying to sell. Even if you were trying to just sell like a health and fitness product on ClickBank, you know, you can actually put something like, you know, whatever the product is talking about. If it's, you know, getting a 6-pack ab in, you know, 2 weeks or something like that, you can put like that tagline or whatever they're using as like the headline of that product, and then put like the website and maybe even an email address or phone number if you want them to contact you. If not, you can just put like a website, and you just go out and you pass these business cards out. I mean, you can go to anywhere. So I've actually done this back in the day where I used to promote different business opportunities, and I would go to like restaurants and barbershops and basically colleges, anywhere that you could leave like a flyer or business card. Even if you're in the street, of course, you want to make sure that you're not abiding by any kind of solicitation laws, but in the streets you can pass out business cards. If I was selling like a health and fitness product, maybe you're in the parking lot of the gym or something like that. As people come out and go to their cars, you can pass my business card. You know, it doesn't really matter because you're getting the cards free, but you're just taking a little bit of time out to go ahead and start marketing your business or your products. And this stuff actually does work. I mean, I've gotten the person that does my lawn, it was a business card that he gave me. Person that cleans my car, business card. They left it on my front door. And the person that did my fence, again, it was just a flyer that they left at my front door, and they've gotten work from me because of that. So you can do the same thing with your online marketing. There's also Vistaprint.com too. They actually do like some free business cards, so you guys can check out that. What I would suggest that you guys do, if you are going to promote like certain products or something like that, instead of using like a long affiliate link, you do want to get like a regular domain name that you can kind of forward that long affiliate link to. So it's not like this long, ugly looking affiliate link that doesn't make any sense. So whatever your product is, so if you were selling like the ab product, you would say 6-pack abs in 2 weeks.com or something like that. And getting a domain is very cheap. You can actually go over to namesilo.com. They have domains that cost about $6.99 for the year. And you would just basically kind of just forward that domain to whatever you choose, your affiliate link to whatever you choose in terms of your domain name. And like I said, $6.99, and it actually comes with like the privacy policy for free, so it's very cheap. And then you look really professional when you're actually making your business cards. So the last method I'm going to be showing you is YouTube. So before you guys cut the video off and say, hey, I don't want to make any videos, in this actual portion of the video, I'm not actually going to be talking about you creating videos to promote. What I'm going to be showing you is a way that you can actually create animated videos where you don't have to show your face or even talk on, you know, the recorder at all. But you can actually create a YouTube channel around any niche that you want, and you can create these animated videos that you can actually start getting traffic to and, you know, making affiliate sales. Now, some of the biggest channels on YouTube, I've seen a lot of them. There's people that never show their face, that don't even use their own voice, but yet they have millions of subscribers and probably making a ton of affiliate commissions as well as ad revenue. So what I wanted to show you guys today was this product called Video Maker FX. And basically with this Video Maker FX just makes it very easy for you to make these animated videos. So basically it gives you all the different slides that you could potentially want, and then you can actually go in and customize the wording, the scripting, whatever you want it to say. If you wanted to add images, if you wanted to record your own voice, you could. But it just makes it super easy for you to go ahead and actually just make these videos on the fly. It's self-hosted, so you don't have to worry about that. And we can go ahead and just look at what this product has to offer. So again, it says go to video creation software, creates amazing videos, engages your audience, boosts sales and conversions. And then this is cool, guy. No monthly fees, no annoying watermarks. You know, some of these free tools, I mean, this isn't a free tool, but some of these tools that people say they're free, they have these watermarks on them, and you know, it just makes it look ugly. So with this, it's just a one-time fee of, I believe it's $37. So as you can see, just to kind of give you some examples of what you can kind of do with this software, is you can promote promotional videos, affiliate review videos, Amazon product videos, offline business promotions. You can just basically do a ton of stuff with this software. And again, it's no restrictions, everything in there you can use. They have tons of different little slides. They have the whiteboard writing. I want to show you that. Let's just look at that right now. So here's an example of what the software can do. Good old whiteboard writing. So let's look at another one. So, and again, guys, whatever you wanted to, however you wanted to customize these things, you could. So, you know, you're going to put in your own writing, your own copy, your own websites to go ahead and promote your own stuff. So this is kind of like another example. And again, there's tons of YouTube channels that are here that are just doing this kind of, you know, animated videos. And you know, got a ton of subscribers and making a tons of affiliate sales. I think this video kind of has like the cool writing. So just imagine you know, creating a video like this where you have your own marketing message and you're just kind of, you can use the same template and you can plug in your own stuff. You can take stuff away, you can add stuff, you can add pictures, put in your website, you can do a voiceover while this is going on, which is super cool. And it helps increase conversions for all your affiliate products. So this is kind of a cool deal with this software. Like I said, this software does cost, I want to say it's $37, but again, it's a one-time fee. So I will have a link in the description for this actual software. So if you guys wanted to, you know, use this to create a YouTube channel and start creating some animated videos, you absolutely can. Not only that, guys, is not only can you actually create videos for yourself, but you can actually create videos for other people and charge them. So you think about it, like if you get good at using this little software and just coming up with like these little video slideshows, you can actually go on Fiverr and become a vendor and start charging other people and put together these simple little promotional videos so that other people can use in their website. You can charge like 10 bucks or $15 or $20 just to put together, you know, hey, I'll do a 2-minute promotional video for your website. And you actually just go in and you make them a quick little, you know, promotional video with the templates that they give you. You plug in their website and their information that they want to give you. It takes nothing for you to do. You produce it and it's done, you know, just like that. And now you're making 20, 30, maybe even 40 bucks, depending on how much you're charging. But the point is it's not going to be hard for you because all of this stuff is just plug and play. So you can use this for yourself, for your own YouTube channel, but then you can also create videos for other people and start generating income for those individuals as well. So like I said, I have a link in the description for this Video Maker FX. And if you guys want to get that, you can check it in the description. So that is basically it, guys. Those are my 3 methods: doing the classified ad sites, doing the business cards, the postcards, the flyers, and then creating videos. Again, you don't have to show your face, or you don't even have to, you know, do the speaking yourself, but you can if you do want to. These are 3 methods that you can do in conjunction with each other. So you could be posting ads and giving out business cards when you're out and about, and then you can be making these videos at night, you know, all driving traffic to your affiliate products, to your business opportunity, to your MLM, to whatever you guys want to promote, right? So this is it for this video, guys. This is John for JohnMcNeil.com. Make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon, and go ahead and click that little bell icon so that you're notified every time I release a new video. So if you're interested in what I'm doing to make some big bank online, click the link in the description below. You'll see my recommended marketing system that you can actually make affiliate commissions with, and that'll be in the first link in the description. So that's it for now, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.